Managing a fleet is not just about vehicles, it's about control, visibility, and uptime. But when operations are disconnected, managing fleets becomes complex and inefficient. Breakdowns lead to delays, unhappy clients, and lost business. Without real-time visibility, decisions are delayed and costs increase. Poor tracking leads to repeated repairs, higher maintenance costs, and reduced vehicle life. Now imagine managing your entire fleet from one connected platform. Track every vehicle with complete service history and life cycle data. Plan preventative maintenance and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Handle breakdowns quickly with structured service and recovery workflows. Capture every issue with digital job cards and inspections. Control repair costs with clear estimates and approvals. Manage multiple service vendors with complete transparency. Approvals happen instantly without delays or manual follow-ups. Know the real-time status of every vehicle across your fleet. Reduce downtime and keep more vehicles on the road. Improve accountability with better tracking of vehicle usage and condition. Get complete control of your fleet operations from one dashboard. Fewer breakdowns, faster service, lower costs. Increase vehicle utilization, improve service levels, and maximize profitability. Moiboo helps fleet and leasing companies run smarter, faster, and more efficiently.